The most important, I think, is a team spirit, no? So that we are one team, we belong to one team, and we will always stand behind each other. And
It's not only the personal,
Right.
the team has to reach it. So there is not really competition between your
Right.
team, and then you can really help each other to reach the goal together.
I'm really glad that I have so many experienced people in my surroundings that you can always lean upon, you can always go to them. I really appreciated the open-mindedness, the atmosphere.
I think we have a really relaxed working atmosphere at SKAN while still being professional, but it's nothing artificial.
I think what makes us special is there's still hands-on, but still touchy and very people-friendly kind of work and cooperation. So people are well respected and we listen to our people. So it's important what they say.
It's like a big family at SKAN. Due to the trust of our management, we have a huge flexibility in our daily business and a lot of freedom.
I will not say that you are free to do whatever you want, but you really have the freedom, to act on what you want. So you can really propose something and then people are listening to you. And this is not so often.
yeah, and I think independence also very often goes with responsibility. So I guess that for us, the independence is like a way to choose our responsibilities wisely.
I enjoy the most at SKAN is really, for me as an engineer, is the freedom.
I consider the independence that I'm granted when I work with other teams and alone, I think that is probably one of the strongest ones. I really appreciate that because it gives me the time and the freedom that I need to plan and and do my work, get my work done.
I think the flexibility is really nice here. That's what I didn't experience before. Yeah, here really you receive one task and then all you have to do is just to finish it. It doesn't matter what way you did, like how do you approach it, but yeah.
When I talk to my boss or to the management or some other people, they are always listening, and this is what I like. So I can just go to an office, knock on the door and get an answer.
You're on the same level as your boss, so it's very easy to communicate with all of them. So even you can go to the CEO and ask him a question. It's not a problem at all. The doors are always open.
And we have so different cultures like Japan and US and Switzerland.
The diversity in our daily business with a lot of interaction with our customer, but also together in our team, but also in the different departments.
I think that there's not much repetition to what I do, so every day brings something new and it keeps work exciting. So that's what I really like about SKAN.
Every day has its own challenges, every day has its own adventures, so to say.
SKAN's culture is very unique and special with regard to other companies, I think. SKAN is open-minded, innovative and customer-oriented.
Good job.
Together.
Always
one step ahead.